There Saint Mary, one of the 14 parishes of Jamaica. There, and place changed a lot. Nah, place changed a lot. Here me used to grow. Place changed up, eh? Now a different thing. Really wonder why. Enough people used to say they're long gone. Don't me look on this.
Kamau. Kamau.
I want a King Kamau TV this, you know?
King Kamau TV. I know CD.
The real deal, you know?
Real deal, huh?
So how they are now, question? They are in St. Mary and they are?
They are St. Mary.
They are going to build, you know?
Yeah, up in the hills of St. Mary. HIEGHT to be specific. Awesome. Jamaica
So
is a lovely place.
Lovely.
Today is tomorrow. Well, today is Heroes
You
Day,
wanna
but
get
we'll
tweeted
celebrate tomorrow. So I'm not talk. To go celebrate tomorrow.
Today
We're in St. Mary.
18.
Today is the 18th. So today, the Heroes Day I go recognize tomorrow. That's on Monday, the 19th.
Monday the 19th. So this is 19th. Probably not going to see this till next week because we want to post the rest of national heroes them, because I create video remembering our national heroes. So probably by the time I done finish post that,
We're in St. Mary.
get this
You know Jamaica have a rich history.
rich history. The richest coffee in the world. One of the richest, you know?
Yeah man. So sometimes nice to come in at the hills and taste the fresh air and look on the landscape and the beauty of Jamaica, you know. Because these mountains you have a slave them usually travel through from Port Royal and St. Thomas back to Montego Bay, Sam Short, then you usually travel through the hills, you know.
Yeah. So we have
and discover certain what I call it, thing they like spring, just like thing there, like you didn't know say mineral bath in Clarendon. It was a slave. As a slave discovered, the slave master beat the slave. We forgot the slave master name. He beat the slave, and the slave did injure and beat the slave so bad till the slave run away. And when the slave run away, him buck up in a what you call it, mineral bath that in a Clarendon. But anyway, when he drop in night, he never know say a mineral bath, he just drop in night. He just go bathe the night, and within a week or so, everything heal up. And then go back to the slave master now, and the slave master say, no man. Ask him when you use, and when he tell him when he use and when then go find him. But when the slaves that dead now, the slave did Willie to Jamaica, to the government of Jamaica. A government only, you know. That's why I look so mashed up.
That's like that's our government.
Come. Already curfew.
Get a little history, you know. Yeah, the month of October. We know that the Heroes Day. We celebrate our heroes. And the day we don't want curfew catch you now. So we could go in at the video.
One come, go.
Alright, we go on the road. So yes guys, reach home now. I reach back and I'm here and I got a little job to do. So right now, as you can see, I'm inside a motor vehicle, and I am going to clean out this car. So let's record it and show you guys. So we're just gonna clean up and vacuum, just vacuum it, just what's the proper word now? Just clean out the inside. Yes. So let's get to it. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, subscribe to the other channel as well, my other channel, King Kamau TV, and yeah.
Dog status, I'm a big dog, bet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette, yeah. Ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Made $1 million and I can't go back. Got a lot of jewelry on me, man, you can't hold that. Well, ask him better, tell him that I ain't so crack. Know your money long when your people can't afford that. I'm ballin'.
Done. Roll the before and after clips.